Noodles is my dog. It's not funny. Alright, let's finish the show. Audience, I want to ask everyone to please help me out. We're going to build up the trick by doing a slow clap. Everyone now, please take your hands from your pockets, uncross your arms, put your hands up in the air like this. Everyone? Yeah? I can see you, sir. No one's going to steal your nipples. Let go of the nipples, okay? Everyone. Watch me and clap. Ready? And... No, you weren't ready. Try again. Ready? And... At the same time. It's really hot today, isn't it? Everyone, come on. One clap at a time. Ready? Together. Again. Again. Everyone. Nice and loud. Let's keep going. Like this. Keep going. Stop. Sorry, stop. There's a hair on it. Ha 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 ha. Hey, was that your hair? Can I have it? Ah. Well, you never had that problem? A hair on the tip? Now piss off, that was a good gag. One more time, everybody, last time. Together. Are you okay? Are you sure? Everyone, clap for Kate! She's alive!